Many girls want to pursue mechanical and stuff, but the family is not usually supportive. But he asked me what was the happiest moment in your life. So it was the moment I got an admission in COEP.
It's quite easier to switch from mechanical to
Yes, to any branch actually.
to any branch.
Yes.
क्या परस्यू कर रहे हो आप
अभी मेरा मैकेनिकल का 3rd ईयर चालू है.
और कॉलेज
COEP टेक्नोलॉजिकल यूनिवर्सिटी.
आपका स्कोर कितना था और आपने स्कोर करने के लिए क्या क्या मेहनत की थी
मेरा एक्चुअली CET में स्कोर 96.67 था एंड आई हैड रियली वर्कड हार्ड क्योंकि मेरी बैच वाज कोरोना पीरियड वाली बैच. सो 12th के बाद में इट वाज वेरी अनश्योर कि कब होगा, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. सो जितना टाइम एक्चुअली था घर पे तो आई रियली वर्कड हार्ड फॉर CET बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट गिव JEE. सो
Okay, so
COEP
you
was my
didn't even appear for JEE
no, I did not prepare for JEE.
and did it appear also?
No.
Okay. So when you got what you always wanted,
Yeah.
how you felt and what was your parents' reaction?
I would say till date it was the best experience I had. Like if somebody asked me what was the happiest moment in your life, so it was the moment I got an admission in COEP, and for my parents as well because they were really proud of me. So,
Okay. So generally girls go for CS and IT.
yeah,
So why did you choose mechanical?
that is not usually because they like what they do. Many girls want to pursue mechanical and stuff, but the family is not usually supportive because they think that many boys should be pursuing and it's a hands-on job. But there are many things you actually do in mechanical, like designing.
Yeah,
and
it's
stuff.
a misconception that mechanical is related to machines only.
Yeah, and
So-
it's so hands-on according to people. But even though it's related
So
to
what
machines-
exactly is how wider its scope is?
even though it's related to machines, like you can go in designing as well. So like even right now we are working on a project. We are designing how a clutch plate can be made better. So I am actually contributing a lot in it by helping in designing. So the cladding and stuff, which is hands-on, can be done from other places as well.
Okay. And you also talked about there would be a lot of boys. So what's the gender ratio of your batch?
In my branch, it is actually, I would say, 1/5.
1/5.
Yeah, 1:5.
Oh. So how do you
Still holds, actually.
how do you girls feel among those boys? How different it is?
It is not that different now because even the faculty is used to seeing girls in the batch, but the older faculty is still surprised that so many girls take admission in mechanical. So
Okay. So what was your hardest subject till now? Don't say fluid mechanics.
it was fluid mechanics.
Okay. Whoever I've asked, which is the difficult subject in mechanical, they always say fluid mechanics.
Yeah.
So why it is so difficult?
I would say it's not actually something you experience a lot. So it's something you have to imagine a lot. And practically, it is not that observable. So it is not so easy to solve those questions.
So what's difficult in like it's a theory, it's practical. What exactly it is? Equations. What does it have?
Yeah, the equations. So you have to imagine the fluid will go like this and then it will expand and then it will contract. I don't know how it will. So it is
Okay.
difficult to imagine.
And in what all fields a mechanical student can go after completing engineering?
They can actually pursue anything they want to. That is one of the reasons I pursued mechanical. So I can go in business field, I can go in CS field. It depends on my minor as well.
So they also teach coding and mechanical.
Yes, you have the option of choosing a minor in coding. So
So
right
it's
now I am doing that. So
okay. So it's quite easier to switch from mechanical to
yes, to any branch actually.
to any branch.
Yes.
Okay. And what infrastructure your college provides for mechanical engineers?
The like all the equipments they provide for the practicals, they are pretty good actually. So hands-on helps a lot to understand.
Okay. And some people say that VIT is best for mechanical in Pune. So what do you think about it? COEP stands somewhere around it or
Yeah, I would say COEP stands up.
okay. And once you complete engineering, how much package you can expect?
So all my seniors around me of mechanical, they have pretty good package around 12, 13, 14. for a
Starting
start,
packages.
yeah,
And that's good.
in mechanical. So
In
it is a big thing.
And what are the best companies to work for mechanical engineers?
That is a very controversial question.
Still, like when it comes to IT,
Bajaj, I would
CS,
say.
Bajaj. Yeah. Okay. And what about accommodation?
Accommodation, so I live in hostel. I'm from Nashik, and it also depends on your CET score. So CET score gives you the preference of choosing your room in hostel. But for girls, it's 100% accommodation. So
Okay.
not a problem.
So the higher your score is, the better chances that you will get a good
The
room.
quicker you get the room.
Oh,
You get the room on the same day.
Yeah.
But you have the choice to choose like where you want it, facing where and all that.
okay. And how many girls stay in a room?
For first year, it's 4 girls in a room, and from second year to fourth year, it's 3 girls in a room.
Okay. So once they realize that girls are fighting, they just remove one girl.
No, actually, it usually changes. So the 4 girls separate their ways, and it's all different then.
After first year.
Yeah.
Okay. So you never thought about renting a flat or renting a PG?
It is not actually convenient to rent a flat for COEP student because the residentials around here are very costly.
Okay.
You can only expect a court basis or something around because the fees of hostel are very
Cheap.
yeah
45,000.
yeah so
Okay.
it is very good
And
for a student.
don't you think food is miserable?
No, I would say mess of my hostel is really really good compared to whatever I have heard about other people. Like even my relatives and my cousins, they say their food is miserable, and I just can't relate to it.
Okay. What about extracurricular?
Extracurricular, I actually participate in dance. So I'm in dance team, and we recently did Firodia. We won Firodias. It is
Oh.
very pretty good actually.
Okay. And the students who are in 11th, 12th currently, what advice you want to give them regarding to studies?
I would say there is no reason to take so much stress about it, and just do what you feel and don't listen to anyone.
And last question, how do you feel that you are part of COEP?
I feel pretty good. I'm pretty proud about it. So
Okay.
once you're here, but it is not a big deal once you get in here. So,
Okay. So what's the significance of getting a good college? How does college helps you?
it usually helps you make a stand in a lot of people, like socially. So people give you more importance.
Yeah, like someone
I
is
would
from
say that,
Slate.
yeah.
Okay.